Control your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G even when it's closed. Take pictures, edit your next viral video, and quickly share with your friends. Plus, it's perfectly flexible for every pose. The stronger display, aluminum frame, and water resistance are a total flex. Create the ultimate viewing experience wherever you are. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. Unfold your world.
Oh hey, it's Josh with Motorola, and we're excited to once again be a part of another holiday season with Amazon by offering great products and promotions to ensure the best mobile handsets are filling the pockets of your loved ones by the end of the year. It's pretty cold outside, but let's talk about 5G. Motorola was the first company to bring 5G to the United States in 2019 with the introduction of the 5G Moto Mod, offering blazing fast 5G speeds in a snap. And we continue to be the leader in the next generation of mobile connectivity with universally unlocked devices like the Motorola One 5G Ace, Moto G Stylus 5G, Motorola Razr, and the new Motorola Edge. You can also do some really cool features on Motorola phones like Chop Shot for flashlight, Twist Twist for your camera, and one of my favorites, 3-finger screenshot. Many of our devices like the Motorola One 5G Ace and G Stylus 5G offer consumers large high-definition displays, creative camera features like macro vision, spot color, and cinematograph, industry-leading battery life, and the latest in 5G technologies, all without paying a premium. When we say 5G speed, a faster future for all, we mean it. But what about a flagship option? A device with the latest specs, the highest quality camera and screen technologies available, the whole package. This is where we bring you the new Motorola Edge 2021. With its massive 6.8-inch Full HD Plus display and 144Hz refresh rate, 108 megapixel ultra pixel camera system, and the latest in 5G tech, you will be amazed at what this device offers for its price tag, making it the perfect gift for the holidays. To make things even better, the Motorola Edge offers a brand new technology called Ready4, giving users a full desktop experience wirelessly mirrored to a big screen TV, monitor, or paired to a PC for an easy way to transfer files, play games, or get work done. There's a lot to offer and experience with the new Ready4 platform. From the entry level up the line to the new Edge and foldable Razr, Motorola has a device for everyone and is committed to offering the best technology in an ever-changing world and industry. If you have further questions, reach out to the Moto Agent Live team available through the QR code on screen for a one-on-one chat to learn more about each device. Have a great holiday season, everyone.